Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Augitel RT8 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. Let's start with opening the dialer and I'd like to show you two different ways of blocking the number. We will begin with your contacts, so you can block the number you've got saved. Let's tap on the contact, then tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on block numbers. Tap on block. And as you can see, you will see this characteristic icon, which means that this number is blocked and you will not receive any incoming calls or text messages from it. Of course, you can unblock it the same way, just tap on unblock numbers, but let me leave it like this. We will check whether it will appear on the blacklist, which we are going to enter. So the second way of blocking the number is more manual. It does not really matter whether you will be on the contacts, recents or the favorites. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on the settings. Here we have to localize blocked numbers. Let's tap on it, and we've just entered the blacklist, which is right here, and that's the number we blocked from our contacts. So as you can see, the previous option also works. Here we can tap on add a number and manually enter phone number which we want to block. So you can enter it, you can paste it if you've got it copied, and then tap on block. And it will also immediately appear on the blacklist. What is more, you can turn this option, unknown option, so your device will block the calls from all unidentified callers, and you can turn it off the same way just by tapping on the switcher. You can also unblock the numbers just by tapping on this X button right next to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.